Hello everyone, I am Dr. Eric Morrison. This is 7 Under 3, and I'll be covering trading education using the TC2000 and TradingView platforms. Hello, this is the FOREX Week in Review with the 28 majors and minors and 2 exotics, South African Rand and Mexican Peso. I'm going to start off with Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar, and as you can see here, the commercials on the 27th went less long and price reacted to that. So there were no good setups for us to go long on this one. This one was break even and no other trades for the rest of the week. Aussie dollar, US dollar, however, was more long and some beautiful trades this week. What you see here, nice overall gain here. We'll get back here, end of the week of $336. All the purples that are flagged here represent mixed positioning, so I only trade either crowded long or short with institutional retail traders or large or small speculators, and I trade the commercials with respect to its 6-month average. That's what this white line is. Going for the Euro Aussie dollar, and it paid off big dividends here in terms of overall positioning. Still below the 6-month average, and as you can see here, beautiful trades Monday through Wednesday out here, and then a wonderful trade on Friday. Absolutely incredible gains on Friday, giving us $1,445 in one standard lot. Euro Canadian dollar, same kind of trading. Beautiful trades on Thursday and Friday. Overall gains on $1,426 on one standard lot. Euro Swiss franc, initial trade here on Tuesday with a loss, but then got it back in game busters on Thursday and Friday. Overall position well below the 6-month average for commercials. Overall gain for the week, $1,358 in one standard lot. Euro British pound well below the 6-month average and just beautiful gains throughout. Explosion of price to the downside. Overall gain of $1,525 in one standard lot. Euro Japanese yen, same thing in terms of positioning. Commercials well below the 6-month average. Crowded long for large and small speculators. Wonderful gain of $2,105 on one standard lot. Euro New Zealand, again, wonderful positioning, well below the 6-month average, and now more short for this week. So overall gain of $2,733 one standard lot. Euro USD, no real signal. It was above the 6-month average on the previous week. On line with the 6-month average, commercials went more short. So for continued price action for next week. Nice overall gains on Thursday and Friday. $865 on one standard lot. British pound, New Zealand dollar, we did have a loss on Tuesday of $125. Commercials well above their 6-month average. Now they're mixed for this week. British pound, US dollar, commercials well above their 6-month average. Now they went less long here, so a lot weaker crowding. However, overall gains for the week are $942 one standard lot. New Zealand Canadian dollar, commercials went less. However, still overall loss on this short, $290. Same with the New Zealand Swiss franc. They went more short. Had an initial trade here and here. However, price continued to go up. Overall loss of $297. New Zealand US dollar did wonderful. Commercials went more long and above their 6-month average. Price continued to go up. Overall gain for the week at $1,247. US CAD, nice overall gain of $816. US dollar Swiss franc, also overall gain of $856. We had a loss here. Wasn't able to take advantage of this overall decline on Friday. Nice gains for the week. US dollar Japanese yen, also below the 6-month average. Came all the way down to the Z3. Overall gain for the week, though, with this give back, $1,341. So absolutely superb gains throughout the entire week. No drawdown days. Overall gains for the 28 majors and minors is over 16K. Looking at the exotics, so the loss ended up being $127 for the week. Euro South African Rand, commercials were above the 6-month average but went more short. Overall loss on Tuesday, overall gain on Friday though. $1,276 for the week. British pound, South African Rand, overall gain on Wednesday, 0 on Thursday, and a give back on Friday. But also this loss on Monday made it a loss for the week of $292. US dollar Mexican peso, as you can see, the commercials are going more long but for this week, still not above this 6-month average. Overall week trades, overall loss on Tuesday, and overall give back on Friday. For a loss for the week, $152. South African Rand, Japanese Yen, overall gain for the week on this shorts. One standard lot. It's not that much, but it was $44 gain. For the exotics, there were 2 drawdown days on Monday and Tuesday. Overall gain for the week is $749. Gains for both the exotics and the majors and minors was over 17K. Beautiful week on one standard lot. Looking at what we have for next week, we have the Euro Aussie dollar, Euro Canadian dollar, Euro Swiss franc, Euro British pound, Euro Japanese yen, Euro New Zealand, Euro US, Euro South African rand, British pound Canadian dollar, New Zealand Canadian dollar, New Zealand Swiss franc, US dollar Canadian dollar, US dollar Swiss franc. For the crowded long positions, we have Swiss franc South African rand, British pound US dollar, and British pound South African rand. Now these are all crowded positions with each of the currency pairs, and their commercials is below their 6-month average for the shorts and above their 6-month average for the longs. The week crowdings include Aussie US dollar, Aussie New Zealand dollar, US dollar Mexican peso, week crowded longs, British pound Aussie dollar, British pound Swiss franc. Those flagged in purple are mixed as far as positioning and have no edge. One thing I want to highlight here as far as the dollar did go from crowded long to mixed this week, so keep that in mind as far as the US dollar pairs. Well folks, that's all I have for the Forex Week in Review. If you're interested in these strategies going forward, or programming in PineScript or Python and auto trading, click on the links below, and remember, ruthless risk management. Have a great weekend everybody, and I'll see you on Sunday. Well, if you like this video, hit the like rumble button below and the subscribe button. And if you want more information, click the course information links below. On the TradingView link and on TC2000, I have an affiliate link. If you open up a TC2000 account, you will receive a $25 discount using that link. Thank you for your time.